Today we're going to be taking a look at this multifunctional water purifier and ice maker from Midea. This is from their Cube Polar Series. This is a 3-in-1 countertop water pure ice maker. The ice maker and the water purifier works separately and can be controlled completely separately. It does use APAC filtration, which means your water is coming out clean and it actually tastes better. The water dispenser does have a continuous purifying system, which means it's constantly purified throughout the whole day. And the ice maker does make 2 different size ice cubes. So we're gonna get this open, test out some features and actually check out what it's all about. Let's go. Okay, I now have the water purifier and ice maker set up over here. They do provide an outlet that connects to your water line underneath your kitchen sink. And the fact that it's connected directly to your water line under your sink, you have a constant flow for your water and ice. So first thing I want to take a look at is the ice. So it does create 2 different sizes. There's a large and a small. So they actually refer to them as bullets. And that's because you'll see the shape of the ice is actually like a bullet. So I've actually created both in here and we'll have a quick look. We'll have a quick look at what the 2 sizes are. So this is a large. Again, like I said, you can see the bullet shape, which is pretty cool. And then that's a small. My hands are kind of hot, but you can see the difference in sizes. So that's going to allow you to kind of create the ice that you need for the needs that you need. If you're going to have a large cup or a small cup. This does actually make 9 bullets every 6 minutes. And as you can see, there is a bunch in here. And it does create 12 kilograms of ice per day. Because the 2 compartments of the purified water and the ice are completely separate as far as the way you can be controlled. You can actually turn the ice machine on and off. I've just turned it on and you'll see it sets up. And that's going to create the compartment in the back there to start producing the ice. The water's coming through right now. So that also means if I was to turn it off and the ice isn't made, it's just going to empty out that water and tuck it away. Now on top it is going to show you, on top it's going to allow you to select your sizes between the large and small bullets, and it will actually indicate when the ice is full. Okay, so this is that glass, as you can see, that I just poured. I'm going to give it a first taste. Okay, yeah, there's no weird taste. There's no weird odors. I do know of some filtration systems, you can kind of taste the filtration of it, but this has nothing. And this is the second glass poured from the filtration system. Normally I like to run it a few times beforehand. Here where I am and my house, I actually can't drink the tap water because our pipes are galvanized. It actually has too high a reading of something, so it's actually unsafe for us to now drink our tap water. So this purifier from Midea actually allows us to drink our water safely. Now I'm not a believer in using disposable water bottles. It's a lot of landfill, a lot of waste. So this allows us to be conscious of that and actually be able to drink safe water within our house without causing all that landfill and garbage. I'm actually going to try the ice as well individually. Again, no odors, no taste. It tastes really fresh, tastes healthy. Because the ice cubes are made with the purified water, they're actually hard to melt. which means that they're actually better preserving for your original flavor of your drink. So these are perfect to be having with whatever your favorite beverage is, knowing that they're not gonna melt too quick and water down your drink. A couple of things design wise, it is really sleek, modern, and it's pretty compact. It can sit in the corner somewhere. It's not gonna take up too much countertop space. You obviously do need some height to get in on your ice, but with the way it's designed, you can definitely get in through the front. So you obviously do have a water line, but what this line actually does is separate it from other countertop water purifiers and ice makers, because you don't have to take a tank out, or you don't have to be taking water from one side of your kitchen to the other. You can have it installed correctly, and then it's gonna have a continuous water flow. So it's gonna continuously produce ice, it's gonna continuously have fresh, purified water, without you having to take a tank out, fill it up, and then wait for that to purify again. And because the water line feeds the whole machine, it means that it's getting purified when it's coming in and then going into the ice. So the ice is purified, the water's purified, everything's absolutely purified, all because you have that one line going in. And it does use that pack filtration, which is easy to replace when it comes time. All you have to do is turn your water line water off, and then you can disconnect the filter, replace it out with the new one, and then turn it back on. And that filtration system is of course why the water is coming out so healthy and so tasty. It is a 3-step pack filtration. If you are interested in Midea's countertop water purifier and ice cube system, then we are going to leave a link below, and that is going to be the best place for you to keep up to date with the latest product details. Please leave a comment below of what you thought about the water purifying system. Please share this with some friends, hit the like button, and of course subscribe for some more great reviews like this.